Today I'm taking a look at the WORKPRO 22-piece anti-slip ratcheting combination wrench set. So it actually comes with a case. So zip tie, clipping it together. And there we go. So very attractive looking wrenches. I love that black on gold look. So this is a 3/4. We can see you got an open end side. We also have a box end side. The box end does ratchet, has a beautiful feeling ratchet on there. Very smooth. But the more important thing that you'll notice is that this is an anti-slip wrench. So this is not a 12-point, this is a 6-point with extra teeth on it. So if you're like me and you have people coming up to you being like, hey, I rounded off this bolt, can you do anything about it? This is going to be the tool that you want to use for that. So we can see the corners are drilled out, so that's going to be good for off-corner loading. And then we have that extra tooth there in the middle. And I love the feel of that ratchet mechanism. So it is labeled 3/4 on both sides. One side is embedded and the other side looks like it is etched. So this is standard as well as metric, so we got 2 sets in one. For the metric, we got 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it is skipping the 7 and the 11, which are super uncommon. I don't really use those anyway. So aside from those, it is a complete set from 6 to an 18. For the standard, we got 1/4, 9/32, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4. So we do have a full set SAE from a 1/4 up to a 3/4. And the fact that it comes in this nice case means that if somebody needs us to go out to a site, they don't know what size bolt they need to work on, we're gonna be able to just take this whole kit out. We're gonna have everything that we need. Probably a 7/16. Yeah. Cool. Nice and easy. Ratcheting wrenches like this, the fact that you can get them inside of a tight area, so like if you had a full-on ratchet with a socket underneath, you'll be able to fit this in places you won't be able to fit that. And having that ratchet mechanism, that can just save you a whole bunch of time. So overall, that is an awesome set of tools.